You know, I had a video up a while back about building a table for an antique sewing machine base. And they've turned out to be a pretty popular item. And I've got another commission here, and we're going to be making another one out of this wood that I have right here. My name's Mike, and I'm with the MJ Hams and Furniture Company, and I hope you enjoyed the video and follow along. The wood that we're going to be using for this project is a wormy chestnut. It came out of a country store that sat along a railroad siding for over 100 years, and this is just some beautiful stuff. Now, this wood has a lot of character in it. You can see it has a lot of the worm holes. It's got holes where there were nails. It's stained in some places to a dark, almost like a black color. And it's also got a lot of variation in color. This is going to look real nice. Although these little tabletops have become quite popular that go on top of the antique sewing machine bases, I don't have any in stock on the website or in my shop, as each one is custom made. Usually my client supplies the sewing machine base. If this is a project that you're interested in, I'm sure we could source one for you, or if you have one, I'd be glad to work with it. Shoot me an email and let me know. Now, I've selected the boards that I thought had a real nice character, but yet the overall color was somewhat similar. Even though there's a lot of different color variation, I wanted to get the overall color to work together as well. So now what I need to do is I need to make a nice crisp edge here on these inner pieces, so when I glue it together I don't have any gaps. Once the glue is set up on my boards here, I can remove these clamps, and then we got to cut this to the length and the width that we need. Once I have the tabletop cut square into the dimensions I want, I'm going to just go through with a hand plane, and I've got a little bit of high spots here and there that I want to take off and smooth down. This wormy chestnut just has beautiful glow to it. A lot of depth to this. There it is, and thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.